What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to actually make a transparent background on Canva. Real simple. What we're going to do is we're going to drag the image right here. This is where we're going to be doing all the work here. We're going to size it, get it to a nice size that we like. And this here man is what we're going to make the only option here. So there's a couple ways you can do it. You can go into edit and you'll see Magic Studio has background remover, background generator, but I'm just going to show you a real easy way to do it. BG remover right there analyzes the image really quickly, and then you've got transparent. Now there's one more step that you need to take here. You need to go into share, and when you share you need to actually go to the option transparent background. You can see it's PNG should be the selected type. So you're going to hit transparent background and download. And then once we've got that, we'll take a look at the image and see how it turns out. So we'll just open it up. There you go. You've got the transparent image. This is basically no background, as you can see. And that's what you're looking for here in Canva. Hope this helps. If you did like it, watch another one of our tutorials. See you on the next one.